now you can get a promo code for Fiverr. Now Fiverr is one of the biggest marketplace for freelancing services, and you can get for a lot of versatile and diverse freelancing services right here, guys. You can get it from video animation, music, audio, business consulting, and so much more and more. So I'll teach you guys how you can get a promo code for Fiverr. Now, to get the promo code on Fiverr, what you'll first need to do is go to a website called Not a Review. Now, in Not a Review is a reviewing website where you can get reviews for almost all of the websites out there and so much more. And when you are not on review, you need to go to this link right here. It's notareview.com/blog/Fiverr-promo-code, and after you're on that site, if you scroll down, you will see all of those information right here. And if you scroll down, you will see the coupons right here. Now you can get up to 10% off on your Fiverr. And yeah, that is pretty much it. That is how you get the promo code for Fiverr. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for the video. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like and press the bell icon and subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our future videos. And bye bye, take care. That is all.